things are so wild with my 2-year-old. For me to be recording and dealing with my 2-year-old is just a little bit too much. So I figured I'd do something else. And I wanted to show you what my setup is when I do batch record. Done today is had breakfast, went to drop off my daughter, came back, posted some of the videos. I sent those links to the PR people that sent me. So I was like, hey, thank you so much for this opportunity. Here's the email. And I send them the link. That way they don't have to go to my TikTok and look for this video. It's about to be lunchtime, but I'm not going to eat until I get all of this done because it's just how my brain works. Plus, we have carpet people coming. I don't want to record when there's other people here in the house. Just show you what my setup is for recording. I get tons of questions and people just admiring the quality of my videos because they think it's great. Thank you so much. It's just my iPhone 13. A few other things that I can show you around. So let's see what they are. Quickly, this is such a beautiful PR package. You've already seen it because I posted it. But just bought our house. Setup is a little, you know, just working with what we have. It's supposed to stand on top of a desk, but I don't have a desk. So this is what we have now. But what I usually do is I'll open up my windows and that gives me that natural light. I'll turn this bad boy on. Does it do much? I don't know, but we still turn it on. And then I have my little mirror here. So when I put my video here, I can see everything happening from that side. So I can, if I'm doing my makeup, whatever it is, I can see it. These are just some notes that this is what we want you to talk about. I always make sure that this light is charged because this is the one that's gonna help me and actually boost my light. Recording, I use this one. The reason I use this one is because you clip it on to your phone, and so I don't have to worry about charging it. Like this one, I'm always like, oh my God, did I charge it? Yes, I always do, but it's just a little extra step. Along, I have my outfits ready to kind of coordinate them with the product if I can. So here, this product is kind of darkish, so I wanted to go with a dark theme. This product, I don't have any yellow shirts, otherwise I'd go with that, so I figured a cream would be nice for it. This one is green, so I really like that one, and I'm kind of showing off the new Conair Wicked that we just saw from that box right there. Lastly, this one's a perfume, so I just thought that the white would go so beautiful, and once again, wearing the Wicked thing on my hair. One, I'm gonna be wearing a headband. Let me just grab it. So this is the headband that I'll be wearing for this one. Also try to pick shirts that don't have any logos because I've heard that you kind of want to stay away from it when you're working on collaborations. That way it just focuses on their product. The thing that I really like to do is keep a Word document of all my current affiliates, of all my current collaborations, and just really quick links before I post. What type of hashtags do I need to use? What discount code do I need to put on there? And that just kind of helps everything just be super simple when it comes to posting, and I'm meeting all the requirements. So that is it. I am ready. I'm actually gonna start recording. I know it wasn't the vlog that you want to see, but I think it's kind of nice to see behind the scenes and just keep it super real. The reason that I don't like to record is because I'm like, oh my God, my hair's not done, my hair's not ready, I'm looking a mess, but this is the reality.